So welcome guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel, and today we are going to speak about 9 countries that you can travel after the lockdown. So this is for Indians who can travel 9 countries around the world which is open to tourism. Let's start with the last country guys. So number 9, Mauritius. Mauritius is very beautiful island in the Indian Ocean. It is called a teardrop in the Indian Ocean. You can for Mauritius, it's visa free, and you don't need to take any visa for Indians. You just need to furnish the passport. So it's beautiful. It's recently opened. There's a lot of attraction in Mauritius, like the Port Louis capital, which is very beautiful, and you got lot of beaches over there and tons of activities which you can do over there. And apart from that, you have this island hopping like Gabriel Island, which you can take a catamaran ride for 1.5 hours and reach there. It's a beautiful experience guys, you must have to do it. So number eight is Egypt. Egypt, you know that Egypt, it has got pyramids in the Giza pyramids. So Cairo also is very beautiful, and the Luxor is a very beautiful. It's a very historical and world city. You can go to pyramids, and then you can come to Cairo, and you can go to Luxor again. You can take a cruise along the Nile River, which is very insane. So I suggest you guys to take a cruise along the Nile. It's very beautiful, and it's very historical ride along the Nile, which is one of the longest river on the planet Earth. Yes, Egypt has got a visa or e-visa, so you need to take the e-visa on through the internet, and you can go there. It's very beautiful country, and lots of things you can do in Egypt. Yes, I'm going to tell you about another one country, that is seventh. We are coming to the point 7, that is Ethiopia. Yes, Ethiopia is open to tourists, guys. You can go there to Ethiopia. Yes, you need to take the RT-PCR test. All this country you need to take the RT-PCR test before 72 hours before you are going there on your arrival. So that is the must for all, and it's open for tourists. All the Indians can get visa on arrival. I think it costs around $20 per visa, but still it's very good deal. And there is lot of things to do in Ethiopia, like Omo Valley, which is famous for its tribes. So it's a must visit in your lifetime guys. So it's very, flights are very cheap for Ethiopia, so you can hop flight for Ethiopian Airlines, which fly from Addis Ababa to Delhi or Mumbai. You can hop into any flights, and recently they started for Bangalore as well. Coming to the number 6, it's Rwanda. Rwanda is recently open for Indian tourists. It's one of the cleanest city in African continents, and you can visit over for Rwanda. It's very beautiful. You can go for like wild safari, and you can watch the chimpanzees in Rwanda, which is like Uganda. You hike for watching chimpanzees. Same way you can watch the chimpanzees in Rwanda as well. Point number 5. It's this country is one of the best friends of India, and it's recently opened. It's in Asia, so it's Afghanistan, guys. So, but you need to take the visa before you are going to Afghanistan. So you can take a visa from either from Hyderabad or Mumbai or Delhi. Yes, all these places you can get the visa. So it's very easy to you need to just furnish your passport copies and those. Yes, Afghanistan is very beautiful, and they got plenty of like Balmer, Herat, and Kandahar. These are one of the historical places in Afghanistan. So Mazar-e Sharif, and even the Mazar-e Sharif, which is very famous for its blue mosque. and even the Kabul itself is a very beautiful city. Like apart from its beauty, it's having this heritage. The food is awesome and incredible, guys. So you need to taste those authentic Afghanistani food in Kabul itself. So it's very beautiful, guys. So you need to visit once you have the visa. Yes, definitely there is challenging situation in persuading challenging situation in Afghanistan, but still it's much safe in Kabul and Mazar Sharif. So don't miss out it. Okay, that takes us to the number four. That is Uzbekistan. Yes, Uzbekistan is recently opened for Indian tourists, and you are most welcome to Uzbekistan. Yes, you need to get the visa before going to Uzbekistan. You can get to the travel agent of through any of your embassy which is near to you or consulate. So Uzbekistan, you know, it's very famous for its mosque, and the city itself, Tashkent, it's very beautiful, and it's history. These are the historical places in the Central Asia. So Uzbekistan is opened, and you can hop into Uzbekistan, and it's very beautiful, guys. You need to visit it. Okay, let's go to number three. Serbia. Serbia is one of the country which is opened in Europe, and you can visit Serbia now. You can take the flights from Delhi. Indians doesn't need any visa for there. Visa for Serbia. Then you need to furnish only the hotel bookings and return flight tickets or ongoing onward flight tickets. So Serbia is one of the gateway to Europe. So it's very beautiful. As I say always, these countries are very beautiful and historically very great. And Serbia, you need to must visit once in a lifetime, and you have to go there. Thus take us to the number two, and number two is Iceland. Yes, Iceland is open for Indian tourists, and you can visit Iceland. Yes, obviously you have to take a flight, Lufthansa or KLM. French Airlines, yeah, French Airlines will be better to take for Iceland because you don't need to take if you're transiting via Paris, you don't need, Indians doesn't need any transit visa or Schengen visa, so it's better to take French Airlines. Number one spot goes to Russia. Russia is many tourists which are traveling from India to Russia right now, because Russia is very easy to get the visa. So, and it's a huge country, guys. It has got many time zones in it. Russia, you know that, from east and from Japan coast to the Europe. So you can visit Moscow, you can visit St. Petersburg, and those republics, small republics. It's I can go on a hitchhiking from east to west of Russia. So Trans-Siberian train you can take. So Russia is a must visit, and that's why I chose it in the number one spot. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's the 9 countries which is open. There's still more countries, but this is the 9 countries which I am showing you guys. That is Russia, Iceland, Serbia, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Rwanda, Ethiopia, and Mauritius. So these are the 9 countries which is open for Indians. That's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I've been a long time I've seen you guys. So please, I've been stuck in my home. I'll be traveling very soon, and it's a very long journey which I'll be doing very soon. Hopefully in a couple of months I'll start my journey once other countries also open, because I'm traveling to a western country, which I will notify, or which I'll announce later in my coming videos, guys. And what I'm going to do, it's no Indians has done till now, that I'm going to do. So see you. Thank you, guys.